All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Yesterday, we finished up our visibility module, and today we're going to be starting our constructor module. And in this section, we'll be going over the process of using the constructor in it and deploying it. In Vyper, there are a couple of other function decorators and a couple other special types of functions. One of the most important types of functions is called the constructor. A constructor is a special function that is called only once when the contract is deployed. The main use of a constructor is to set some state variables or to call other functions that are needed to set up the contract. One of the most common things that are done inside of the constructor is to set the owner of the contract. For example, let's say that we have a state variable called owner that we will make public and pass an argument called address. To define our constructor, we will start by using the at deploy decorator, and then we need to define a special function. And it has to be this exact name. So you can see here we have the define right here, double underscore init, double underscore parentheses. Note we will use the parentheses to pass in any arguments we want the constructor to have, if we have any. For now, we'll leave it empty. Now to set the owner or the state variable, we'll use the self.owner equals message.sender. Sender refers to the account that deployed this contract. So by setting the state variable to message sender, we're saying that the owner of this contract is the deployer of this contract. Now this is probably the most common use case of the constructor to set a state variable that stores the owner of a contract. And that's all I'm going to do with the reading so far. Like I said, we did take a lot of notes in this module. We actually finished this module up. So we're going to do part two probably tomorrow when I show you the actual. I can show you the code now that we're going to be using in it. It's this one here, how we build a constructor. And we're going to bring this over to our Remix IDE, and I can show you actually how it works inside of the Remix environment. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.